Alright guys, we're back in my garage for another episode of the B58 Digest. If you're new to the channel, I use these videos to help keep you updated on the latest developments in the B58 community. So if that's something that you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot more of these videos coming out in the future. So today we're going to talk about the new Vader Solutions catch can kit. And basically Vader Solutions was the first one to introduce the PCV delete kit almost a year and a half ago, and now he's adding a catch can option to that as well. So before it just kind of had the dump tubes that could go under the car, but a lot of people asked about, basically integrating a catch can, and now you can buy that directly from the source. So this kit is going to include the catch can itself, the delete cap, and all of the fittings and lines you need to kind of integrate everything. And you can see in this picture where the catch can mounts, it's pretty low on the firewall, kind of tucked behind the engine and close to where the high pressure fuel pump is. So this is a catch can that he actually designed himself. It'll be made in the USA, and he basically identified this as the best location for a catch can. Now you'll have two different options. The cans will always vent to atmosphere, that you can either just use the filter that comes with the kit, or you can add the vent hose attachment that will vent fumes underneath the car. And then there's also an option to add his breather cap. So if you want to replace your oil filter cap at the same time, then you can do that. So yeah, I know this is something that a lot of people were looking for in the past. It's available for pre-order right now. And if you already have the Vader Solutions PCV delete kit, it's probably best just to reach out to him directly and see if, you can basically just get the extra parts you need to add a catch can to your setup. So check out the website. That link is down below if you're interested in placing a pre-order. And we'll see how this performs once they all start getting out into the field over the next few months. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions or comments, leave them down below.